375. This is bullish right here. This is extremely bullish. Extremely bullish right now. Let me go live on all the things. Very bullish. Hopefully you guys heard me. Okay.
Let's go.
All right, there you go.
It's gonna fly.
Yep. Yep. There it goes. There's $4. That's 300%. So I would really like it if you guys bought the VIP gold memberships if you're a VIP member. And if you're sitting on the fence, you definitely want to take advantage of VIP pricing right now because it will grandfather you in. All the renewals are coming up next month. So I'm going to make sure the prices are changed before that happens. That way people are, I'll just cancel and I'll just come right back for the same price. We've had it for the same price for a year. And it was supposed, just so you guys know, when I opened that service, that was supposed to be a $10,000 service, not $2,500. It's just 800 million people were signing up. I was like, okay, that must be a magic number. But to me, I'm just thinking, hey, this is like the 550 lifetime. This thing's got to go away. This price is just ridiculous. So get it? No. Thank you. Okay. We should be live on all the things. There we go. There we go. Let me make sure. Okay, good. While we're waiting, Vanny, VANI, VIP members, and then the regular crew that came in, you guys are super printing on Vanny. VANI is now 340%. For some of you, this will be the best trade you've ever been in. Congratulations to you. I walked you through the entire trade all morning long. Still running, still doing its thing. Told you again it was bullish, very bullish, above 375. And now we're at 482. That's a whole dollar move. Bullish, since very bullish, above 375. Is now up 390%, continuing to run. It has not stopped. This should be some of your best trades you've ever seen.
Which I'm already at 2% on my total account with that thing.
Thank you. There's a 2%er. Tell me VIP doesn't pay for itself all day, every day. All right, let me pop this chat out. There we go. So almost 400%. We called out VANI. I saw it on 213. 213 is when the call out happened. I saw it pop up on our radar. We got in it immediately. I said this was support, and I walked you all the way through till we got up to 375. Excuse me. After I was talking about my little sales pitch, I said it's extremely bullish right here at 375, and I'm sure you all hammered it because now you're trained to listen to the sound of my voice. Yes?
Coach, I made $177 on your second call out.
Nice job.
$600 on that second call out.
Nice job.
Still in the second call out.
Nice job.
I got back in 370.
Yes, nice job. Told you, all you got to do is listen.
47.
Nice job. This is
That's $5 now.
Yep, $5. There's new high a day. $5.
You, Coach. Thanks.
Yes, you're very welcome. Nice job,
He needs
everybody.
to break that thing. He needs to break $5. Come on.
Yeah, this is glorious. Here's what's crazy. I didn't get in that trade at all. Not at all. Again, my job is to get you to where you need to be. My job is not for me to trade. My job is so that you guys are able to trade. Am I right? You pay me to be a trainer, not a trader. And that's the difference between myself and everybody else that you guys see on the internet. So while they get to sit there and then claim how they made, their millions of dollars, well, guess what? My job as a professional trainer, that's how I get paid, right? So while everybody else gets to do all the fun trades and you guys just get to stare at them and then they get, there it goes.
Oh, look at that.
Yep, there it goes. Let me kill these mics. Look at that, 540. You guys are up now 540%, 550%, continuing to run, 560%. Congratulations, everybody at American Dream Trading. Let's get the money train going. 500% here. It's up to $6 now. Yeah. Who's making money on that? Huh?
Hey, Coach, I don't know why I'm driving to work because I just made more than I would make in a day.
Oh, yeah. Good job. That's awesome.
What?
Same.
Ow, ow, ow. It hurts when I clap. I had surgery yesterday and it hurts when I clap. I'm still going to clap. Hopefully, don't rip my stitches.
Coach, I will fly to your house in person and give you a shoulder massage.
Oh, thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Look at this. 513, 517, 520%. We're going to ride this out. I'm going to hold off on my marketing spiel. Let's just continue to make money here on VANI. VANI just continuing to rip. Now 550%. $6.61 continuing to climb. Please tell me you're all making buckets of cash today.
13
Yeah,
grand so far.
6%.
Coach.
Mark, did you just say 13,000 so far?
Yes, sir.
My goodness gracious. So nice. So nice. That's awesome, my friend. Congratulations.
Thanks, Coach.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Coach, I don't know about you, but when I look at those green
Recording in
candles,
progress.
the call out, all I see is people from 80 and those candles having fun.
Yeah. This is a beautiful day. I love it when we get runners like that, especially right at the gate. So most of you will make more this morning in the pre-market than you have ever during the regular market. VIP for sure. You guys made an ass load of money today, VIP members. Nice job.
L2 shows you everything you need to know right now.
Absolutely. And I walked you through the whole thing all morning. We are going to, I did tell Carter to make a video on that. So we will. The stock is VANI. We were the first ones. I guarantee we were the first ones to catch that. That's because I saw it right here. Let me show you guys. I saw this here. This is when it came back. And I was like, oh, hell yeah. This is support right here. We hammered it at 213. Everybody in here, VIP members, we got VANI at $2.13. Then I walked them all the way through this morning, literally handheld everybody in here from 213 all the way up to 375 on exactly what to do, when to do it, when to get in, when to get out, how to do it, why to hold on, what exactly the trade was doing. And then after it drove again at 375, recommended extremely bullish buy right there at 375. And we just drove it all the way up to 662 again. And it's now 9:11. We got 19 minutes before the bell. Everybody's already making money. All VIP members are green. Everybody should have a glorious day. That's how we got today started.
Let's do it again, Coach.
Yeah. That was beautiful. Yep. Nice job, everybody.
$200 pre-market, Coach. I know it's not a lot, but it's okay.
Yes. Nice job. Anybody else make money?
5% total account, Coach. Thank you very
Holy
much.
crap.
Yeah. 5%.
Yeah, 3%.
Wow.
10% on that trade.
Wow. I love it.
$300 total account.
300. Nice job.
600, Coach.
600. Holy crap. You guys are crushing.
500, Coach.
500. Oh my gosh.
Walk over, Chad.
Your
call out still made 700.
Nice job.
Yeah. Coach Chad is such a Chad.
200.
200.
So this is a stock that's going to run all day, you think?
We don't know. Why you always want those life projections? Is this going to go to $800 today, Coach?
I mean, look at the news, Coach. This is
I know.
magnificent. This is like a little Eli Lilly going here.
Yes, absolutely. It's a mini
A baby
Eli.
Eli Lilly.
Yep. I like it. And that's been
Don't
big.
forget to
I
post some
just-
profits and
I
losses,
just watched
everyone.
you. I
Yes.
just watched you telling me that perfectly called it out. I was following you on just looking at the screen. I was like, whoa, this guy is a genius.
Well, I've had kind of done it for a while, right? We've been here a while. You guys, this thing, is still pumping. The volume is 17 million. This is a 25 million float stock. Let's see. Average volume is, listen to this. Average volume is 50,000 shares traded in a day. This has done 17 million.
You tell it's like a little baby.
Coach.
guy going
Yep.
on.
This is massive.
What do
Yeah.
you mean by a free float stock? What do you
how
mean?
many-
You guys say that a lot. So.
How many stocks are available to trade? Anything under 10 million is considered a small float, meaning a small amount of volume can move the stock big time, right? So the smaller the float, the faster the stock can run. So if you guys have noticed, if I see anything that's like 5 million and under with any type of catalyst news, anything, that baby's just gonna launch to the moon because it doesn't require a ton of money, shares, to drive the price up. So that's why I'm always talking about it. By the way, I'm going to have all of this in the, if you guys haven't signed up yet, here we go. New high a day is getting ready to pop on Vanny again. If you guys haven't signed up for my mastermind class, this is our first mastermind class. It's next Wednesday, $199. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get signed up right now. I'm going to show you guys how to grow a small account. There's going to be a lot of these tips and tricks and how we do this and what it looks like. This is going to be huge for you. Even if you're not a member at all, you can still sign up for the mastermind class. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. It's next Wednesday, 4:30 p.m. It's an hour and a half class, full Q&A inside of that class. And don't worry, if you pay for it and you miss it, it will be recorded. You will be able to get the recording for that class, okay? It's our first mastermind class. If you are a VIP Gold member, you get all mastermind classes for free. For free, absolutely free for
That's
all
the
of you.
one I'm looking for.
Yeah, it's going to be a good one. Okay, it's 9:15. We have not done the pre-market setup. Bruno, are you ready? We got to get this party started. We're running really late because I wanted to make sure you all got paid. You all got paid today.
Yeah, coach.
All right, cool. Here we go. All right, let's take a look. First thing, I'll keep Vanny up here just in case you guys are still watching my screen. But I'll keep it down here. Yes, it's going to pop. Yes, it'll probably make new high. It has great potential. So you won't have to call it out. I know. You guys know what to look for. You know what to trade on. Okay, Apple. Apple to the upside is going to be 182.75. Oops, hold on. To the downside, 182.25. I am still holding Apple calls from yesterday. They were up $6,000. I got greedy. I held overnight. We'll see what happens with that. I did buy 30 days out. I did not buy myself a lot of time, which means I'm only allowed maybe 3 days with those. I would never hold anything less than 90 days for more than 3 days ever on a monthly. That's nope. Time decay will ruin it. AMD. AMD upside is going to be above 176.50. Downside below 176. Amazon. Amazon above 172.70. Below 172.15. Google. Google above 139.50 or below 139. And it's almost there now. Mara, all crypto has been ripping still. Bitcoin just blasting the moon. Keep an eye on Mara, MSTR, Coin, etc. Keep an eye on those. As long as Bitcoin is flying, those will go with them. Let's see, Mara. Mara above 33. Below 32.25. Meta. Meta above 484. By the way, moderators, let me know if anybody signs up for VIP memberships today. We should have about 10 of them. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Or VIP gold memberships. I'm sure we're going to get 1 million signups today. Watch. Meta 484 up, 482.84 down. Microsoft. Yep. Microsoft 407.50 up, 406.50 down. Let's see. Netflix. 598.50 up. Uh, 596.70 down. I know it's a big range. All right. NVIDIA. NVIDIA 779.50 up. 776.50 down. Qs. Qs 435. Nope, I like it better here. 436 up. Sorry about that, Bruno. 436 up on the Qs. $435.35 to the downside. Marcelo, I see you just bought a VIP lifetime. Congratulations to you. SOXL. Let's see. SOXL. $40 and we'll say 10 cents to the upside. Give it a little bit more breathing room here. And to the downside, 39.88. Again, congratulations, Marcelo P. I see you with the VIP lifetime limited sale inside of there. You just took advantage of one of the best sales we've ever had before. SPY.
Max Raptor 22.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Max Raptor. Appreciate you. Congratulations, by the way. That's massive. Mashulo probably wants to buy like 16 of those today if I know her, probably. Okay, let's see. SPY 505.60 to the upside. 505.15 to the downside. Tesla, last one. Nice. Welcome, Wen. Appreciate you. We'll see you in the mastermind class. I see you just purchased that. We will see you next Wednesday at 4:30. Don't worry if you can't be there. We will make sure that is recorded so you'll still get advantage of that. Okay. Tesla 200. Oh, man. I got to go 201 on this one. 201 on Tesla up. 200 down. That's all of them. Thank you. Thank you. And congratulations again. Who's going to get the VIP or VIP gold membership today? Go ahead. Open your mics. Now's your chance. Go ahead. Let us know. Let the world know. Good morning, Looney. I see you. Good morning. Who's going to take advantage of that low pricing? Matt, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Hey, Coach. With Apple canceling their e-car development, do you think it's going to make Tesla a little more bullish?
I do.
Ditto. Same.
Yep. Let's see. Apple is flat here. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this party started. We got about 8 minutes to the bell. Again, congratulations to everybody already this morning. Just super printing. Vanny right now, starting to get volume back in here. You guys want to watch for the break of $6.20. That's going to be your level of resistance. Still got plenty to go right here. And I can see volume coming in on Vanny again right now. Okay. Thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Lee, Dawn, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Johan. I keep looking at Vanny getting ready to pop again. Unhappily housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Kaizen. I can see it wanting to pop. Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McSee. Congratulations to everybody this morning in the VIP membership. We just completely crushed it. 500% gainer over here on VANI. We saw it first before anybody else did. That was an awesome run up. Thank you to all of our military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day here. Special shout out to my son in the Air Force, going on 8 years now. Thank you, buddy. We appreciate you. Thank you to all of our first responders, always. Firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Look at that timing, dude. We are a perfect duo right there.
Yeah, yesterday I missed it. It was just a absolute perfect worst timing. I hit a spot where I lost cell service right at the moment when I was supposed to pull my horn. Damn it!
You're like, no! See, and that's why the market tanked for so long. Thank you, brother.
Well,
I appreciate you. Be safe out there.
Hell yeah, let's roll.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you, everybody. Luciano says, how many millions you guys making today? I don't know. We'll see, right? We always trade the trades. Now, last week, which is funny. It's funny you say that, right? Because everybody's like, oh, it sounds fictitious. Last week, our members made so much money. It's not even funny. It was a crazy, amazing week. We do it time and time again. Of course, it's nothing new. Thank you guys so much again for being here. If you are new or this is your first time, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I am a 32 years, but 30-year plus experienced trader and professional trainer. Thank you guys all for being here. We are the largest and fastest growing stock market education company in the country. Thank you again. As featured in Inc. On Inc.com or Inc. Magazine. So thank you guys again so much for being here. We have a lot of products and services. You guys at any time can join us at AmericanDreamTrading.com. Our memberships start at $200 a month. That will get you access to Zoom. There's 524 people in here. There's no delay, by the way, on Zoom. They can see my screens, everything we're doing. It's a full Q&A. They can ask questions literally all day long. We're the only ones that do that. Excuse me. So I will walk you through trades. I will train you. I will show you exactly different strategies, tips, and tricks. On top of that, right, we don't just discuss nothing but stocks and portfolios, right? We want to be the light in the community. This is all about people helping people over here. So I want you to come, right? We get everybody here on the training, and then I want you to stay for the community. So that's usually how that works out. Everybody just loves the community. We have, again, 19 moderators on standby to help you out. We have a full help desk ticket service if you guys need any help or assistance or technical support, or if you guys want one-on-ones or any of that. We have all of that, and it's all available at AmericanDreamTrading.com. Just remember, I will never reach out to you guys. I will never friend request you. I will never direct message you. That will never be me, ever. There are hundreds, right? Because we are the leaders in the industry, there are hundreds of accounts trying to fake and scam you guys, so please be careful of that. The only way you will ever be able to reach me ever is on our Discord server. So go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Yes, don't send me a message. I won't see it. I don't even use that. Go on to Discord, and you guys will see here, right inside of, if you're a free member, if you go to the Stock Lounge, you can ask us questions and you can talk. Good morning, Looney 1982. I see you over there. You can see right there. We can see everybody. This is where the conversation starts. If you guys have questions about any of our products or services, we have full membership info in the members start here. We also have an onboarding group every week, which is what? Is it Friday at noon? Am I right, Arlo and Miranda? Is that the time?
This week, 12:15.
12:15. So if you guys are interested in our products and services and where to go and how to navigate Discord and who we are and right how things happen and what times do we do what and where are the affiliate links and where do I go on YouTube and how do I look at what? 12:15 Eastern this Friday. Come on over to our Discord. You will see it says member onboarding. Go into that channel and you guys can ask questions and you guys can get involved and you can start your journey right, into living a better life. So make sure you guys check that out. They're doing a great job. We are a minute and a half in. So again, $200 for the membership. That gets you videos. That'll get you the videos on demand. Those are full training videos. Zoom access, the hot stock picks every day, which you can see we've had Vanny in here, right? This is where everybody's made tons of money. You guys will get the pre-market setup, which we just did, and the IPO center. VIP membership, when you're ready to step it up, it's $2,500 a year right now. It's on sale. That is going up. But with that, you guys will get masterclass training with me every day at 8:15. Like this morning, I literally handheld walked you through the entire trade all the way up to where it is now. That's mastermind training at 8:15. You'll get the mastermind videos. So all special videos that we're doing. You guys will get the workshop class is absolutely free. We do one of those a month. That is free for you in the VIP gold, or I'm sorry, in the VIP membership. Give me 1 second. Let me pop this up. We got so many services now. I have to read off a damn cue card. You get the trading view indicators, right? Our 2-minute EWO indicators. And you guys will get early access to the Zoom. So you'll get to trade with our other millionaires starting at 4 a.m. in the morning. 20 seconds to the bell. VIP Gold, when you're ready to do that, if you want to add that on top of your VIP membership, again, it's $2,500 a year. You'll get a free one-on-one with a moderator. Mastermind classes are all for free. Again, that we have our first one next Wednesday. 1 hour of tech support where we can remote in and help you. Weekend training, we've never done that before. We do that every weekend for our VIP Gold members. VIP Gold priority help desk support, a full news service. People pay hundreds or thousands of dollars for a month, and breakout rooms. All right, here we go. Everybody, let's have an amazing day. Love your faces. Let's see what we can do here today. There goes Vanny popping off. The whole world seeing Vanny. 610%.
Hold it.
Yeah, that's got to be halted.
Yep. Yes.
Let's go.
Still in it since 370.
Yes. Tesla blasting off here.
Wow. Apple blasting off.
Yep. Apple on the move.
Meta also blasting off.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
people stay away from options
on Vanny. Buy shares.
Thank you. Nice job, everybody. Congratulations, all VIP members, by the way.
Let's go.
Awesome. Nice job. Boy, that's exciting. What a way to start. By the way, all of my options on Apple are cranking to the moon. $3,500 now. Apple getting a nice little blast off. Let me put this up here so we can see it. Okay, let's see what's going on. Tesla
Google
on the
to the downside on the pre-market level.
Thank you. Apple still climbing above pre-market setup to the upside. Vanny, of course, pulled back. Do we got, halted. Do we have an unhalt time on Vanny?
Vanny's going to unhalt at 9:35:33.
Thank you. SPY pulling back. Tesla ripping. Tesla to the moon here, everybody. Breaking pre-market setup above that 20. What do I have marked? Hold on. Tesla, yeah, 201. Remember, the first 1 to 3 minutes, right, are the hardest time to trade. So please be cautious. That's where you'll get all chopped up. Let the market figure out what it wants to do and then go from there. Okay, everybody?
Yes.
But Vanny, beautiful. Okay, the whole market's, wow, look at the market crash right here. Whoa, this is what I'm talking about. First couple of minutes, be extra cautious, right? Crazy. Look at Tesla pull way back, SPY pulling way back, Apple pull back. Qs are still sitting. And look at this market now. What the heck? That's why you got to be careful. First 3 minutes are the most dangerous. You still got 30 seconds to go. 30 seconds to go.
Amazon to the upside.
Thank you. I'm watching my options on Apple slowly fading away. Those were up $6,000 last night. I got greedy and I did not collect, by the way. Now they're only up $100. Still plenty of time of the day, though. I got 30 days on those. Going to let them ride. Unless, of course, the market is complete dumpster fire all day long, and I'm not going to let that happen, but we'll see. Q's right here. If it's going to bounce, it's going to happen now. Same with SPY. Otherwise, just look for it to continue to crash. There goes SPY. Watch SPY right here at 505. Pre-market set up to the downside. Apple continuing to pull back. Same with SPY. Same with Tesla. Same with the Qs. Everything's pulling back.
Hot stock peak IXHL is moving up.
Okay, thank you. Nice, nice. All right, let's see what's going on. Everything is pulling. This is all 2-minute EWOs to the downside so far, everybody. We're looking for support. So far hasn't found it. Same thing here. If Tesla's going to bounce, it's going to be around this 199.50 because that is flipping green to red. So watch that right there on Tesla. 199.50 on Tesla. Here comes SPY. Starting to get some positive volume to the upside on SPY. Apple still pulling back. There goes Tesla. There's that 199.50 bounce I just talked about. Everybody see that?
1 minute out on Bonnie.
Thank you. VANI, just a rocket ship. 610%. 1 minute
Yeah, to
out.
the upside near high day.
Thank you. Get ready on Vanny, 1 minute. What's the unhalt? 30
That's
seconds?
gonna be, yep, 33.
30
35,
seconds on
33, right.
VANI. 30 seconds on VANI. Watching. Get ready for the unhalt. It's going to be a circus. 44 million volume on VANI right now. Crazy. VANI. Get ready for unhalt. There it goes. It's live. Huge pullback. Huge pullback on VANI.
Healing.
Here we go. Hold on. Keep those mics closed. This is your 1 minute candle rule. 1 minute candle rule. Blasting off again. VANI. New high a day is 780. Come on, baby. What you going to do? There's everybody in the world's now staring at VANI, by the way. Tesla popping off over here. Over here. Tesla. There it goes. Tesla's taking off. Told you if it was going to find support, it was 199.50. It hit it 199.56. SPY to the upside. Tesla's to the upside. The Qs are to the upside. Apple's starting to move up. Vanny pulling back $6. 480%. All right, right here. If Vanny's going to find support, 543. Lot of collection being taken right here. A lot of people are collecting all their money on Vanny. Support at 543 on Vanny. You guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Tesla, rocket ship. Beautiful. Tesla's still to the upside. SPY's still up. Q's making a nice move. Apple coming back. Vanny, can it hold 543? Big question. 543, that's critical on Vanny. Can't hold. You guys are going to be coming right back down to 485. Tesla continuing to crank. Who's still in Tesla over here? This is beautiful now. Thank you. First 2 minute EWO. First 2 minute EWO on Tesla. First one. Vanny could not hold 543. Look for 485. Tesla continuing to climb. Looking real nice over there. Support on Vanny. Let me check the L2. It's showing $5 as support on Vanny. $5 is support. It's not a major level of support, though. There's not a ton there, but it is support at 5. There it goes. See if Vanny can continue to climb from 5. Now, the beautiful thing with Vanny is his 780 is now its ceiling. So we need to watch that throughout the day because it could gap up. Qs are still to the upside. Tesla's on its second 2-minute EWO. Tesla is on its second 2-minute EWO. Apple's trying to find some movement here to the upside. It's slowly moving. Q's pulling back a little bit. Watching the market patiently. Vanny couldn't hold. Vanny could not hold. You're going to get big pullback on Vanny here. Be careful. That's going to be a knife drop on Vanny. Be careful here.
Amazon new high, by the way, is looking beautiful.
Okay, thank you. I've got to get off Vanny. You guys let me know new high a day, okay? Thank you. Yeah, Amazon continuing to climb. Good call out on that. Let's draw that trend line.
Meta new high.
Thank you. Meta new high. How's crypto looking?
Amazing.
Let's see.
Bitcoin's running hard.
Let's see. Mara down underneath VWAP here. Be careful. It's pulling back since the bell. Mara to the downside. Be careful here. All downside over there. Let me get that microphone muted. Craig, you had your mic open. I got you. Amazon continuing to climb. Tesla's still up here in the clouds, looking good. Tesla's still bullish. Just consolidating up here. Looking good, though. Let's see. Apple's pulling back again.
Google new low day.
Thank you. All right. Tesla's just sitting here consolidating sideways. SPY consolidating above VWAP. That's bullish. Scott, I got your microphone. Scott, we haven't seen you in forever. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Google still crushing hard.
Thank you. Yeah, market is super finicky. Apple still down. Let me put that over here.
Well, Google and Byte News with our AI, so it's been down,
yeah.
down.
Yeah. SPY is still looking bullish here. If the market pauses this downward momentum for a second, SPY's going to pop to the upside. There goes SPY to the upside, still looking really bullish. SPY on its second 2-minute EWO. SPY is on its second 2-minute EWO to the upside. Right here, be careful on SPY. I'm showing this has resistance here. This is resistance on SPY. Tesla still looking extremely bullish. I mean, extremely bullish on Tesla. Who's still in there? Goes new high day on Tesla.
I am in Tesla.
I'm in Tesla,
You call
folks.
it like zillion times, so I'm in it.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm in Tesla too.
Oh, okay.
TSLL, coach.
You guys are.
That's funny.
That's funny. I don't care who you are.
Yes.
I'm rolling. I am rolling, coach.
You guys crack me up. Let's take a look at Meta, see what this is doing. Yeah, Meta's staying up here. Let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon slight pullback. This market is really skittish. Like I said, this is where SPY wants to pull back. It's around 505.90. Yep, there comes the pullback. I told you that was resistance. Hopefully you're listening to the sound of my voice. I'm trying to keep you out of these car wrecks. Okay, good. Good.
Coach, Bitcoin is climbing again, so you might see Mara and coins start to move back up.
Good call out. Thank you. Good call out. I'll put that on my radar right now.
Berkshire halfway upside, second green, 2 minute.
Okay, thank you. Tesla still staying up tall, still bullish. Still staying up here. Apple needs to find support at 181.75 or it's going to continue to bleed out, which will really be a treat for my longs. All right, let's see what we got.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Can you please look at NVIDIA for a second?
Yep. It's flat. I'd be very cautious right here, but believe it or not, right here it's to the upside, but I don't like that it's been working. It's making lower lows, so I don't like this long until it breaks VWAP and holds, because otherwise these are puts below VWAP. The reason is, if you guys look at this, it's making lower lows. So if we go from here to here, you see this trend? That's down. See it here? So if you're looking to enter on NVIDIA, I would not touch it here at all. It hasn't made up its mind. Don't touch it at all, okay?
Thanks. I got in a little early. Thank you.
Yep. Oh, nice. Carter just said, check out, was it AA? Let me look. I'm sorry, ARRY. Oh, good call out, Carter. Yes, ARRY on good earnings, 7.62%. That's a nice one. That is nice for earnings and small accounts. ARRY. Check it out. Yeah, here goes NVIDIA. That's why I said I did not like this sitting in this level. It walked its way down. It was making lower lows, right? Anytime something's making lower lows, you don't want nothing to do with that. At least not for a long setup. Let's see. Apple, you better find support here. Otherwise, you're going to be lights out more. All right, let's see what else is going on. Q's still pulling. Let's check Tesla. Tesla's below VWAP, but it's still to the upside. Has not broke and held. It has not broke and held to the downside below VWAP. So you're still okay here, 2-minute EWOers, but damn, this thing is struggling. It's because the whole market is pulling. It's funny, Tesla should have a huge green day today. Tesla should have a good green day today. Market conditions, though, pulling it down. Nice job, Mark, on Vanny. I see you. Good job.
Coach, Amazon's bouncing off of VWAP.
Okay, let me take a look. SPY starting to move. Yep. Oh, yeah. Good call on that. Yeah, Amazon touched VWAP and bounced. SPY moving to the upside. There was that support I was looking for on Apple, but can it hold? Is it enough? Tesla's below VWAP. That is gone now. And the 200, that's lights out for Tesla.
Oh, it looks like Bonnie has found support.
Okay, let me look. Let me put it
kicked really hard off VWAP though.
Yeah, I don't like it here. Let me look. I don't see any big support levels in there, Ted. That's a no bueno. Wait.
Yeah, no double bottom, no nothing yet.
Yeah, and I don't see nothing on the L2 indicating buyers are lining up at any specific area. Just be careful. I mean, it did climb up. If you guys look, it has stair-stepped up, which is bullish. But if you look at the L2, oh, right here, 526. 526 is support. Everybody see it? That's based off your L2 of 526. So I'm going to mark it here. So if it can't hold that,
what was the size, Coach? The size?
It's 5,000 at 528 now. So it is moving up.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's tiny. It's tiny. Tiny. Yep, can't hold. Here comes the 5. Yeah, it's just not a lot. Again, Wait until the break of VWAP and hold. Don't touch it before that. Everybody hear me on that?
Yep.
Okay, good. Thank you. It's just too tiny.
Can you take a look at BRKB to the upside? It's moving really fast.
What's the symbols?
BRKB, coach. That's Berkshire Hathaway B. It's a flight to safety. Whenever the market goes bad, people pile into Berkshire.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, BRKB. Yep. Okay, I got it. Yeah. Yep.
That and JP Morgan are both flying up.
Yep, got you. Okay, thank you. Just remember, these spreads are probably going to be really big, right? Yeah, the spreads are huge. Just be careful. Those are massive spreads.
ADIL is halted to the upside.
Oh, good call out. ADIL.
Low float.
Yeah. Oh, I like the way you're thinking now. Look at this. Hey, Nate, are you in here? This reminds me.
No, he's not here today.
Oh, damn it. This reminds me I used to call Jimmy out for these, right? This is the same thing. Uh-oh, I'm losing internet. You guys with me?
Yep.
Okay. It looks like my internet's going down. I just got an internet warning. Unstable. So if I lose you guys, moderators, you have to take over. ADIL is actually suspended, not halted. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Apple, you couldn't hold.
It shows that sometimes.
Yep. Apple couldn't hold. It's going to be lights out on Apple here.
Hey, Coach, can you look at Google, please?
Yep. ADIL. Anybody have a time on it? Yeah, Google straight down. That's beautiful to the downside. Anybody got a time on that ADIL?
9:52 and 12.
52:12.
52:12. Thank you. Exactly 2 minutes. Exactly 2 minutes. Thank you.
Eyes right on VWAP.
And Mara's bouncing back up.
All right.
MAR.
Thank you. ADIL 952.12. Nice low float. Pharmaceutical company. Let's see. I had news. No. Oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Patent. Hold on. Let me read this. Now, this isn't an FDA approval, so it's not as big. Ability to target serotonin transporter gene for potential treatment of opioid use disorder. Ooh, this is a big one. Wow. It's a patent, not an FDA approval, so it's not as big. It could be a pop and drop, but this should be a decent pop on ADIL, especially when the free float's only 1.5. I'm going to hammer this pig. Setting up now on ADIL. I'm going to crush its soul. Uh-oh. Some stock exchanges have temporarily halted the trading of ADIL, so some of you might not be able to trade that stock. ADIL. It's going to unhalt in 30 seconds. ADIL. I'm setting up. Any minute, ADIL could break loose. Be ready. There it goes. It's live. ADIL is live. ADIL buying now. My orders placed. Orders placed. Kill these microphones. Never have your mics open. I'm not able to buy ADIL. Is anybody buying? It's not letting me buy.
I got in, Coach.
It's not. Robinhood's not letting me buy. Tried to place a 15,000 order. It's just sitting here. Damn it. That order's dead. Oh my gosh.
Shame on Thinkorswim.
I had 15,000 at $1.70 and the order never filled. Robinhood's not filling orders on ADIL. Be careful. Oh my gosh, you guys. That's about $4,000 right there I didn't get. Thanks.
So that's because it went straight to $1.80.
Yeah, but it's a market order. Should have filled no matter what the price. Damn it.
Quick $80. Thank you, Coach.
Nice job. I only buy on market orders. I would never buy a limit. That takes too long. ADIL is now up 127%. Like I said, it's not FDA news, but it's good news. Apple continuing to crash. By the way, I had to sell those for, I think I took a 2K bath. Instead of a 6K profit last night, I ended up taking a 2K bath. So kind of a stinker poo-poo on Apple over there. But it is what it is. That's why I say take the profits off the table. I just assumed that Apple would have a nice run after that. Okay, ADIL. Looking for support. I don't see it yet. Starting to get some movement. I'm going to try to buy in again. Oh, it's buying. Okay, ADIL is now buying off of Robinhood. Oh, it's taken a long time to fill this order. I could be in trouble. Yikes, that took a long time. I could be in big trouble off that. ADIL. That took a long time to buy 10,000. That means there's not a lot of volume in there yet. ADIL. Still looking bullish. Staying up above 2. Be careful of your entry size, though. 10,000 took a long time. I would say 2,000 would probably be my max inside of there. 2,000 to 3,000. Anything above that, you're fighting it.
7% total on ADIL. Thank you, Coach.
Yes, nice job. Gosh, if I would have had 15,000 shares that I originally tried to buy at $1.70, now I'm
That's
sitting,
right, man. $1.70, Coach.
Yeah, and the order never filled. Now I'm sitting here at $200. Get the hell out of here.
Coach, Bitcoin broke high of day.
Oh, thank you. Watch for Mara then. Riot, Mara, Coin, MSTR. ADIL, still holding 10,000 shares.
Ooh, it broke 230.
Still in it, Coach. Still in it.
Yep, I'm up $2,000 now on that trade.
I'm up 1,000, Coach.
Nice job.
D walk to the upside also.
Thank you. ADIL still holding up. ADIL, like I said, that was nice news. Starting to pull back here. Still holding 10,000 shares. ADIL. Got a little greedy. Going to hold it a little bit longer. $2,000 was the highest I made so far off of it, but I'm still holding it. I want to see if it's got more. I like support at 2. 214 is now support. That's good. I'm seeing more buyers coming in. That's good. Come on, buyers, scoop that thing up. This is a fire sale, by the way. I mean, massive fire sale. $1.5 million float. This thing should be at $5 right now. That's ADIL, everybody. There goes new high day on ADIL. I'm selling here. It's taking forever to sell. There it goes. It sold. It was up 2,000 when I clicked sell, but it took an hour to get rid of. Like I said, 10,000 shares too much. Don't know what I made. I'll tell you in a minute. I made 2,000. Looks like $2,200 on that trade. I think. Let me verify.
Bitcoin skyrocket.
Thank you. That means watch Mara, right? Coin, MSTR.
Yeah, they both go on the upside.
Thank you. Anybody making money on ADIL?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Coach.
Thank you.
From 180.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it was $1,700 is what I ended up making on that 10,000 shares. It just took so long to get rid of them.
Looks like he's got more to give.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Like I said, with this low float, with that news, this should be $5. But like I said, it's not if this was FDA approval for sure, it'd already be gone. This is huge news though, I'm telling you right now.
Coach Mara is on a 2-minute EWO, but it's not over our pre-market setup for the upside.
All right, thank you. Trailing stop on ADIL, by the way, is going to be about 25 to 30 cents. So make sure you have the correct position size to be able to handle that type of a move. Excuse me. Again, I would not be buying over 2,000 to 3,000 shares at a time. It just can't warrant it. It takes too long to get out. Everybody hear me on that?
Yes, Coach.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there's not yet. There's just not enough volume yet. Because if you buy in with that many shares and it does pull, it's going to take a long time to get out, okay? All right, thank you. Good job, everybody. Who's signing up for VIP today? I need 2 VIPs or 2 VIP golds to sign up today. Who's signing up? Talk to me. Let the world know. Open your mic. Tell us. Go ahead. We'll wait. Go ahead. We'll wait. Go on. We know you're good for it. Go ahead. We hear you. Go ahead. Mic's open. Go ahead. You got it. Go ahead. You got it right now. Go ahead right now then. No? Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Easter Bunny. It's all right. We'll just keep making money. Mara, we need to see a break at 33.
Sorry, Coach. I was in a trade, but I signed up for VIP Gold this morning.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate you. Alex, it hurts when I clap. Who was that masked man? Who was that?
That was me, Coach Ryan.
Nice job, Ryan. We appreciate you. Don't forget, make sure you claim those perks because now you get a free one-on-one with a moderator, okay? Nice job.
Coach,
Yes.
Bitcoin 61K, new time high.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Like I said, though, wait on Mara till it breaks 33. If you weren't in it earlier during the run, it has to be above 33, okay? Don't touch it until then. Deal, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, let's see. ADIL could not hold. So make sure you guys aren't getting stuck in there with that, right? That's a no bueno. This stair stepped all the way down. That's no good. If you're going to quick scalp, right here's your spot. But it better be a real tight stop. I mean, tight stop here. Because the way that it came down to it is not bullish at all. Webull didn't let you buy. Yeah, that stinks. I know. I ran into the same thing with Robinhood. It took me 2 orders. I finally got in and I ended up making $1,700, but holy crap. Did I take that much of a bath on Apple? It says I was down $5,000 on that. How is that possible? Let me look. Hold on. Bear with me 1 second. That don't make sense. It was only down 2 when I sold. 585. No, maybe it was. Gosh, did I really take that much of a bath? That can't be right.
Imagine if you had Friday's expiration, be down 15,000.
Oh, for sure.
Being
Yeah.
out,
Oh,
buying
for sure.
calls out there is great.
Yeah, it would have been.
Time.
Yeah. Well, my account's down $2,900. It is what it is. I did recover some of it. If you guys remember yesterday, I think I was down. It was down 5,500 yesterday. I ended up the day plus 3,000. Did you guys see me post? And I said, hey, this is just like real life. We have ups and downs, but trade the trades, right? You still have to just trade the trades. You still trade it. Doesn't matter. Nothing changes. Trade the trades. You'll be all right. So right here, here's your ADIL bounce off of VWAP. See if it can actually hold. But I don't like it here. I just don't like it. It's got to have a spike. If you get a spike, I can jump on the momentum. If there's no spike, I'm not. I'll set up for a small entry if it spikes. If it can't spike here and it's flat on VWAP, I don't like it at all. SPY now above VWAP. We'll see what it wants to do. There goes SPY starting to get a move. Apple's starting to come back to life. Now, the idea on mine, by the way, on Apple, my 182 was break even. Just so you guys know, I lost money on Apple, anything below 182. So I had it marked out this morning of what I needed to pay attention to. But it could not hold 182. This is why I'm not in it still, just riding it out, because anything under 182 is a loss. Anything above it would have been a gain. So if Apple does return above 182, I could look at re-entering. But as far as that goes, it's just to the downside, and there's no reason for me to hold it, hoping that it swings back. Does that make sense, everybody? Cut your loss. Get out. Look for the next trade.
Amazon coming up on a triple top.
Okay. All right, thank you. Good call out. Oh, yep, I see it up here. Yep, ADIL couldn't hold. That's why I said trash it. It's toast. It's dead to me. Let me know if it ever breaks new high a day. Oh, what do we got here? Vanny. Vanny, bullish here. Vanny, bullish here.
I was just about to say.
Yep, trying to get in the trade. Came all the way back up, broke VWAP, entering the trade here.
I'm still in.
Yep, nice job. Yep, Vanny looking positive here. Just going to quick scalp off of this, but I like it above VWAP. Really like it above VWAP. You guys watching this? It's got a huge gap up. That's Vanny, V-A-N-I. Long as that holds above VWAP. Huge gap up possibility with this thing though, right? Right here's resistance 575. That's your level of resistance. Look at if this breaks 575 though, we're moving up to 618. Everybody see this? Has to break 575. Breaks 575. Here it goes to 618. Come on, baby. Go. Go, go, go. Everybody watching VANI? Okay, good.
I'm in it, coach.
Yep, yep.
I'm in it.
Yep, we'll see if this can drive. Set your trailing stops. Set your stops. VWAP obviously has to stay above. Come on, baby. It's getting pull. I don't care. Still in here. I'll add on VWAP. Just depends how this looks. Yeah, I don't like that. That's people selling. I'm going to add a little bit here on VWAP just to see if it can stay. Don't mind. I'm going in light enough where I can handle this little bit of a pullback. I like the momentum. Add 1,000 here. That breaks VWAP. I'm going to add again. I like it above this 545 area. Come on, stay up there. Find support and drive. Not adding in until the break of VWAP again. Otherwise, I don't mind down here. But for the rest of you, if you're not okay with that, don't do it. Because this is a dangerous spot below VWAP, yes? Okay, good. Amazon pulling way back. All right, Vanny's flushing completely out. 5, is that going to be support or is this just going to dump more?
Tesla above VWAP.
Oh, thank you. Good call out. Let's see. 62 here.
Give me that red Omara.
Thank you. Okay. This is what I was worried about with that Mara, right? When it hit up here at this 30, what is it, 33? That's why I said don't enter if it can't break 33, because that was pre-market high. Everybody see this? This is exactly what I was worried about. All right, I added a little more here at 5. Super dangerous down here on Vanny. Everybody be cool with that. But I added it on 5 because we're almost to the bottom here, which is 450.
Coach, mine is just above VWAP. Why yours like is below? It's weird.
Are you on the same time frame as I am?
Yeah, I'm in 1 minute. On both, on TradingView and my other platform.
Mine's off. It's showing it's above VWAP.
No,
My
it's
VWAP
not.
is 446.
Oh, okay.
No?
No.
544.
Yeah, 544 is VWAP for it. Yep. Excuse me. All right, here we go. Come on, Vanny. I'm going to add in above VWAP. If that can break and hold above VWAP, I'm going to add in. Just kind of walking you guys through what I'm doing. This is dangerous, though. This is, right? We're below VWAP, which is never bullish. But I like the volume. I like the fact that it's world news now. I like the fact that it's over 400%. I love the fact that the gap up is monstrous. I mean, look at this gap up. This gap up is back to 7. See it? It's massive.
Second, 2 minute on Tesla.
Thank you. To the upside?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. SPY to the upside.
SPY, yep. Just about to call it.
Vanny dangerous again at 5. I see a lot of sellers at 550. I see support at 5 still. 7,300 shares at 5. This thing should be going for it. But remember, everybody has made so much money, right? That they're in collection phase right now. Everybody's collecting, right?
Bets is halted.
Bets halted up or down?
Way up.
Way up. Is that a hot stock pick today?
It is.
There you go. Hot stock pick. Bets halted to the upside. Nice job.
We'll resume in 10, 15, and 18 seconds.
Thank you. SPY with a
Coach,
nice move. Go ahead.
Tesla's coming back up. Tesla's coming back up.
Yep, Tesla's back up. Let's see. The Qs are moving up nicely. Apple's still trying to make its way back up to 182.
Holo's massively rocket shipping too. It might hold as well.
A previous hot stock pick. HOLO. Thank you. Vanny over here at a bargain bin scoop ups. Right now, excuse me. Right now, my average is 562. Excuse me. Damn it. So I'm up here. I could have collected when it was way up here. Again, being a little greedy. I'm going to have to watch that. My greed factor is like to 100, I feel like. And I know that about me. I got to watch that. Tesla. Moving up nicely. Coming up to a double top on Tesla. Tesla here at 202. SPY continuing to climb. Nice momentum. Like I said, Tesla should be driving through the moon today, right? That should have just been a full-blown rocket ship after Apple bailed out of EV. Because Tesla is by far, and no one's not even close in any way to Tesla in technology cars, infrastructure, batteries. Nothing is even close. Not even close. So the fact that Apple dipped out, Tesla should be up 7%. If this wasn't an overall red day, Tesla would be gone.
We need this 20170 to hold on Tesla.
Yeah, I agree. And I still like Tesla above 200. Mark McSee, go.
Yeah, Coach. I've had a pretty good morning today, and for those, I stayed in at Vanny. I was in the pre-market with the VIP.
Yep.
In the VIP, we was in the Zoom. You called it out first. I jumped in on that after about the third time you said it because I'm not smart enough to listen after the second time. Anyway, I stayed. I just like to have lines. I didn't have lines on. Anyway,
yeah.
I use Coach's 2.0 indicators. I will preach that gospel of your indicator that you guys have designed till the cows come home and even after they're home. If you happen to look at that on the 1 minute chart on Vanny, whenever you get a chance, there was nothing in that indicator that told me to get out from the very first time that we got in. And I actually held on to it from the pre-market into the regular market, which we're never to do. But because your indicators have such a strong indicator, I actually stayed in it clear up to, I got out once and then jumped back in. But I actually stayed into it in the open market, which you should never, ever do. But I did have my finger on the sell button on turbo. So that was the first time I ever did it. It was, quite frankly, maybe a nervous wreck doing that. But that 9 EMA line and the cloud and everything on there, it at no time did it say to get out. And that's the only reason I stayed held through into the open market, which is extremely dangerous. And then I got out.
Coach?
Yeah,
I got out in it right after the halt because the L2 combined with your indicator said it was going to pull back on the unhalt. And by God, it did.
Yep.
So I've had a extremely successful day. On Vanny alone, I was up over 42% in the two trades. Most daggone near double my money on Vanny.
Wow.
I'm starting to like these gappers with the floats. It's especially when the market is just crap across, consolidating over the last couple of days.
Yeah.
These are fun.
Well, inside of the mastermind class, we're going to go over a lot of it because, and I've made a lot of millionaires from this, right? These are huge. And I always tell you guys, when the market is down, all the money goes to these small float companies. All of the money, right? So when it leaves that, it comes over to this. Exactly.
Great job, Mark.
Yep.
Did you notice on the trading view indicator you were above VWAP?
Moderators, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Way to go, Mark.
Do you guys see Get 'em over on TikTok? Ban him. That's the guy we banned. His name is Get 'em, GETEM. Ban him. Yeah, I don't care if you're scared or not. You're not a part of the group anymore. If you break the rules, you're out. See ya. I've only had to ban, I think we've banned 3 or 4 people in the history of being here, which is over 3 years now. Thank you. Yeah, so beat it. You're never allowed back over here. Go draw lines in the sand. That's what you wanted to do. You wanted to go play in little sandboxes, so get your ass over there. You're not welcome here. Beat it. Bye, Felicia. All right, Vanny. Vanny could hold.
Did you notice that VWAP on trading view indicator is Vanny's above VWAP, and on Webull you're below? Check it out.
Yes, that's because of the way they are calculated.
That's correct. Yep, and we've
You're
gone
off.
over that a bunch.
Something is off.
Yep, we've gone over that a bunch of times. They will be off a little bit. Yep. Hold on a minute. Let me flip this. 2 minute.
What should we do, Coach?
I don't like it at all, but I mean 450 support, but yeah, I don't like it down here. Not at all. 450 is where we're gonna bleed heavy, right? Because that thing's gonna crash. I got to get out right here. I was over here dinking around with Goofball that showed up. Costed me a couple $1,000 just trying to get this kid kicked back out of my room. Thank you, Bruno, for coming over here and being the muscle and ejecting this clown.
My bounce off now.
Yeah, this is where support has to be is 450, but I already took the brunt of the damage for it. I didn't get to concentrate on my trade because I'm goofing around with people interrupting us. Tesla continuing.
Who is that guy? I'm gonna go hunt him down. He screwed me up too.
Yeah, it costed me about $6,000. Tesla
$4,000.
continuing. Yep, same thing. Tesla continuing to run to the upside here. Tesla continuing to run to the upside. It broke above this double top 202. This is what we wanted to see on Tesla.
For those of you that are not VIP members, you're looking at Coach's screen now with his 2.0 indicators, guaranteed to make. Well, I shouldn't say guaranteed.
Yeah,
I'm not to say
nothing's
that.
guaranteed, right?
But
Thank you.
they will help you make money, help you stay in trades longer. You're losing money by not being a VIP and having these indicators. That's all I got to say.
Yeah.
I will preach that till the cows come home.
That and all the extra training and the stuff that we do. Yeah, it's kind of a no-brainer.
Bullshit. It's like it makes me not want to do options at all.
Well, don't do them. Let me mute Dawn's mic because she's.
I muted her.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I did too. Okay. Tesla here above. Yeah, you guys are staring at the 2-minute EWO indicators, right? This is what I have up all day long. All day long, I'm watching this stuff. Let's look at Apple. You guys can see it in real time up here. You get this with the VIP and the VIP only. Unless, of course, you were a part of the lucky 400 that bought it when I put it on sale. I sold this for $120 for a whole year. And we had people cancel. Not smart. Not the smart. You'll never get it back. Tesla continuing to run. I can make a half a second trade and make $120 for a whole year of that. Oh my goodness. But coach, I want to get DoorDash twice. Okay, go get DoorDash. Knock yourself out.
Hey, coach.
Yes.
I just woke up and I got in Tesla. And guess what? I'm pissing excellence.
Oh, very nice. Very
Thank
nice.
you.
Look for, it sounds like you just woke up.
I did.
Oh, boy. Yeah, watch for Tesla right down here. Support is now around 202.15. See it right here for support? That's where Tesla has to stay above. Yeah, that's critical for it.
Thank you for the hot, steamy update.
Yep. Yeah.
I tried.
Vanny bounced off 450, but it's soft up here. It's probably going to run up now the rest of the day just because I ended up selling it because had to deal with Clown World. All right, let's see. Thank you. Helen D says, check out Disney. Okay, will do. Yep, Disney climbing up nicely. Good call out on that, Helen. Appreciate you over on the YouTubes. Nice job.
You got to get the clown sound bite. That was great. You got to get that sound bite. Play it for 'em.
Right. Tesla still above 202.15. I'd like to see it run up. Tesla, I'd like to see that continue to run up. We'll see.
Bring in the clowns.
That's right. Cue the clowns. Look at MSTR is up 12% on MSTR, 12%. Bitcoin is at $61,000.
Let's go, Bitcoin.
Yes. That is awesome. Told you that bad boy had so much more to
Yeah,
go.
I thought it would be pulling Mara, but it really hasn't.
Nope, it's still running. Again, Apple's pulling back here. That's why I said it was soft. There was no reason for me to hold it through all this nonsense. Tesla's flat. Qs are flat. SPY's over here pulling. Every breathe back, this thing's pulling. Let me load up SPY here and see what's going on. It's still bullish, but super weak. Super weak. Look at the stair step down. Tesla's holding SPY up today, believe it or not. Because SPY wants to crash right here. It has to stay above 505.60 for SPY. Otherwise, it's coming right to VWAP.
Carvana's pulling.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good to hear from
So
you.
Axon, AXON is just looking magnificent today.
Okay, let's take a look. Axon.
AXON, yes.
Got it. Okay, thank you. Yep, AXON. Lower volume, though. You can tell by the candles, but yeah, definitely up 5.4%. I don't know what that's going to do to the spreads with this low volume, but keep an eye out for it. Thank you. Good call out. SPY still heavy, still stair-stepping to the downside.
VANI is approaching VWAP.
Okay, thank you.
HOLO flying.
Previous hot stock pick, HOLO to the upside. Thank you. Yep, looking good. Yeah, HOLO is getting some huge volume right here. Like I said, there goes SPY pulling. I just bought 200 contracts of that, up $800. I think it's got more to pull. HOLO, nice volume. Apple.
Major dump on Carvana. Sorry, sir.
No, it's okay.
Major dump.
Carvana's pulling still.
Yes, sir.
Be careful right here on the 200 on Carvana.
Yes, sir.
Yep, it's going to bounce. It's going to be here. Paula, go ahead. You got your hand up.
Yes, Coach. I'm on TikTok, American Dream Trading One, and a person is asking about a particular broker. They're from Israel, so I don't know any broker in that particular country.
You're breaking up pretty bad. Did anybody hear?
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
She's got somebody on TikTok that wants to trade out of Israel. Is that what I heard?
That is correct. How's that sound?
It's better. I'm not sure what brokerages you would use over there. You'll have to Google it and see what you have available. Yep, not sure. That's the only.
Okay.
Yep,
All right.
thank you.
Great.
Right here, SPY.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, Tesla's still climbing. SPY's still pulling right here. It's just stair stepping down. If you look at this, see this trend line? Tesla continuing to climb. Apple pulling down. Qs are down. Tesla, I'm telling you, is helping SPY right here. Look at Tesla. Like I said, if the market wasn't red today, Tesla would be up 7%. There we go. Come on, SPY. I got 200 SPY puts here. There's 1,000. I'm up 1,000 on it. See if it can break VWAP. If it does, it's going to be a nice flush. There it goes. Thank you. There's $1,600. Stay down there. Still holding these SPY puts. Super heavy. There's $2,000. There's $2,200. I'm going to flip my trade so you guys can see it in real time. Everybody see my Robinhood over there? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. See if this can stay right here. If this stays below this 200, you're going to get a bigger flush. There it goes. Collecting profit on 100 of them now, just because it's on the 200. 100 left. If it breaks, I've got to be careful. The 200 MA is a bounce area, right? There it goes. Come on, baby. Flush. Nope. Sitting flat. Gonna shave. Getting rid of half more. Notice I'm taking the weight off, right? There's VWAP. It's got to stay below. Hold on, Rex. I'll get to you as soon as I'm done with this trade. Taking more off. Why? Because if it breaks VWAP and holds, it's going to run, and then it'll go against me. And if the more weight I have into it, there it goes. There's the rest. Taking the rest now. There you go. Positive trade all the way around. That should have been about $1,700 trade. Just like that. Everybody watch it? Okay, good.
Yes.
Very nice.
Thank you. Awesome trade.
Yep.
Good job, Coach.
Thank you.
It's interesting because I'm in the 2-minute EWO on SPY, wanting it to go up, but you scalped it that quick.
Yep. And that's using Robinhood too, right? Which is not easy.
Which is horrible. Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to trade out of it, but
I've learned I only do the hot picks on Robinhood and then everything else on Webull.
Yep. Yeah, I ended up making 1,400 was the trade. That's how much I wound up getting out of that. So the reason I didn't take it all off the table when it was up $2,200, as you guys saw, is because it still had a lot more room to go, which is down here around this 505.15-ish. Okay. So the idea behind that is it broke through here, it broke here, but it couldn't hold. If it would have held below the 200, I would have had my other 100 contracts, which was 50%, and then it would have pulled really hard, and then I would have shed as it got closer and closer and closer. Does that make sense? There was,
Yes, sir.
yeah, the risk to reward ratio was, they still had massive reward with minimal risk, because at this point, I already knew if it comes back to VWAP, I don't want to be there. And guess what? I bought those up here. So that's why you guys saw every trade was green, even when it came back above VWAP, right? And why did I think it was going down here? Because look at it, stair step down. See it? Stair step down perfectly. It got heavy, pulled below VWAP, pulled below the 200, couldn't hold, and then bounced right back. And now you guys can see this is where it had a bounce, right? This is where the strength came back in. Tesla continuing to climb. But anyways, that's the idea behind how I scalp, right? The mind of a professional day trader. You guys got to see how that worked. Apple's going to bounce right here, it looks like. You guys want to know how I knew that? Let me flip my screen. VIP members, check this out. Non-VIP members, you especially need to check this out. You see this right here? You see this green line we have perfectly laid out in our 2-minute EWO indicators that you guys get for free as a VIP member? Look at where I saw the bounce. You see the green line? Support. Resistance. Resistance. Support. Support. Resistance. Resistance. Broke through. Does everybody see this? This is included for free, by the way, with your VIP membership. Does everybody see this?
Yes, Coach.
Yeah, this is all free, right? With your paid membership. Free when you have to pay for it. Coach, it's not free, damn it. It is, because you get so much more with that. But anyways, check it out. This is what I'm saying. So I can see that stuff without me going, oh, crap, right? Because over here on Webull, I didn't have a line drawn out at 181. I did not have 181 drawn out at all. That was not a spot for me. Now, if you go back, obviously it was over here. So I would have said, hey, double bottom. But guess what? I saw it off my trading view indicator way before I was over here dinking around on my Webull. It was just set up. I already had it, right? So just another thing to go by. Okay, that's nice. That's real nice. Look at SPY broke above this channel. If you guys look at SPY, this was the downside. Guess what? Anything above this, isn't that bullish?
Coach, you'd be proud of me. I stayed in my call. I kept 2 all the way through that.
Oh,
I'm
nice
still
job.
in the 2-minute.
Yeah, great job. Because if you guys look at this, this is the trend, right? So because it broke this trend right here to the upside, this is why you got the nice pop. Everybody see it? That's beautiful. And again, you just need to recognize these areas, right? Apple came down and retested 181. This is a retest. Guess what? If Apple can't hold, lights out. Guess who's setting up for Apple puts right now? You see Apple over here? If it cannot hold, lights out. You see it? Yes? I hope you do. Don't be a hero. Don't do it early. Don't do it early. You do that early because it's calls on support. You'll get burned. Well, coach, why aren't you doing calls on support? Because the overall, the whole time, Apple's been downside. There it goes. Scooping up puts now on Apple. Everybody see it? If it pops up, I'm out immediately. No reason for me to hesitate and wait at all. I'm going to show you guys my trade. Hold on. Live trade. You guys see it here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, coach. Market's moving up. Be careful.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, oh, look at, oh, yep, see right here. That's where you got to be careful. See that? That's a quick pop. That's why I said be careful. I'm out. I don't care. Take the loss. Wait for the next setup. Doesn't matter. Trade the trade. Don't hold on. Never stay in a trade that goes against you, right? I'm scalping. I can make 100 of these in a day. There is, why in the hell am I hearing somebody fall down their stairs? What is going on? I'm dying over here.
Coach, you crazy dude.
And move the furniture real quick.
God.
I've fallen and I can't get
I
up.
know it. Somebody quick, lifeline.
Sound like they fell off the roof.
Jeez,
Hey,
oh,
Coach,
Pete.
can you
Yes.
check on VANI?
Yep. But everybody else, you guys are getting ready on those Apple puts again, right? Because it did not hold up. Yeah, VANI is trash till a break of VWAP and hold. SPY is up on its ceiling.
But the Bitcoin is over 61,000.
You bet your ass it is. If only there were one place you could have ever went to that could have told you that, right? Who said that it was going to run until the halving? Who said it still had more to go? Who said it still looked great? Who said when ETFs were crashing on crypto and the world was panicking and then all the little crypto kitties went back to sleep? And I'm like, it's not over. We're not done yet. Right? Didn't I say that in here? Live in front of everybody?
Yes, you did.
Yep.
You did. That was the best time to buy.
Absolutely. When everybody's running, but nothing
Remember
has
15K?
changed. Yeah, nothing has changed, and everybody's panicking. Right? When they're running out of the building, but you're like, wait a minute, everything still looks great. Buy it. That's a fire sale.
Oh, yeah.
That's right. Rookies will run. Professionals will see the opportunity and take it. By the way, that's why I said don't touch Fanny, right? It's crap unless it can get above VWAP. Don't touch that thing. It's dangerous. Okay, real quick. Tesla. Look at what we've got on Tesla. 203.80 was marked from previous. There's your pullback. Tesla can come way back down from here. Be careful. Do you hear me? Yes, that's a ceiling right now. It's showing me on Tesla. Scalpers, that's called a put. But be careful. Yep, just be careful because it's to the upside. Remember, anytime you go against the grain, you get your you can get your face ripped off, right?
Yep.
Real tight.
Yesterday.
Yeah, real tight stop. And I mean as tight as that's why you saw over there an Apple. Here comes Apple too. You son of a. There goes Apple. Bye-bye. Lights out. There it is. 181 below. Bye-bye. You
Thank you so much who called Carvana. I showed that I make $240.
Oh, nice job.
Get it, girl.
Yes, hell yeah. Beautiful. Tesla, you see this pulling? Who's in those puts right there? Look at that. Goodness gracious. Look at Apple. Look at Apple. See that below that 181? Now, earlier you guys might have been like, Coach, why did you sell those? Why didn't you just wait to see if it rebound? I told you below 182, my longs were garbage, right? That's why. That's exactly why. What time is it? 10:39. It's almost time for me to get the hell out of here. You crazies? So did don't go. Did everybody make money today or did you learn something? Huh? Was it a good day?
Yes.
Good day.
Great day. Great
Oh
day.
yeah, oh yeah.
Good.
I learned something.
He's like, I learned something, all right, damn it.
Coach,
Yes.
you say, there's days that you don't do any trading,
Yes.
but you do training.
Yes.
Like these last 2 days, you spend a little bit of time trading. I've learned more to watch you trade. Yeah, you don't want to do it all the time because you actually lose the money, but
yes,
I've learned more by watching you trade and go up through those scenarios than a lot of the times, like I say, sometimes when you're just trading.
Right.
Because we're watching what you're doing.
Yep, I understand that. That's why I try to do a mixed bag, right?
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. It's just I know from over time, I end up losing money consistently when I am trading while I am training. It's just cannot put it all together. But that's why the other guys that are successful in trading, they don't have open mics. Nobody gets to ask questions. They get to trade and you stare at them. We're way different than everybody else. There's a reason why, right? So
You stare at they record it, so it's even more different because they're editing their trades.
Correct. Yeah.
For the highlights of the day, right?
Yes.
And yours is raw, but it really does teach you just the whole experience of trading.
Right. Appreciate that. So again,
maybe
go ahead.
Maybe if you can resist, maybe trade 1 or 2 a day.
Right.
Or 30 minutes a day, so that you get back on the track with you and you're on track with us.
Yep, exactly. So Tesla here, a little bit of a baby bounce. We'll see if this wants to continue to climb. Let me look. So Apple, there was your bounce. I saw it on our 2-minute EWO indicator. Brooke, you got your hand up. Sorry, I didn't even see that. Go ahead. I don't want to leave.
Yes, Coach. Yeah, I sold a put in January for Mara.
Oh, wow.
And it doesn't expire till December of 2025.
Good for you.
So I'm sitting on it, and today's earnings for Mara.
Oh,
but
great question. Yep.
Bitcoin halving is still coming. Should I take my profit? It's only like 12%.
Here's the thing. So how many do you have?
10.
You have 10.
Yes.
That's kind of dangerous. That's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. Not financial tax or investment advice.
Right.
And since since we are only discussing a paper trading account and not real money simulation only, legal, ding, 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 ding. If it were me, I don't trade through earnings. Ever.
Right.
I never, ever, ever trade. Now, on one side, if it goes up, I'll be like, oh, dang it. Oh, I really wish. But if it goes against you, you will not be as happy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Anytime we're losing money, trust me, it does not feel as good as when you're making the money. Am I right, everybody?
Yes.
It's not the same thing.
That's for sure.
Absolutely.
It's more fun to win.
So I am always on the side of caution. I would not be trading through earnings unless you're doing a straddle or a strangle or some other strategy which allows great volatility. So if I were you in your paper trading simulated account, I would have done what I should have done last night when I was up on Apple $6,000 instead of losing $2,000 this morning because it did not continue to run. I would take my money.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. That's what I was thinking too. So
Yep.
thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. And if you're like, well, I'd like to do, how about one?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Or two instead of the whole enchilada, right?
Right. Buy back 9, just leave 1.
Yes. Yep. And then maybe that one was close to free. You know what I mean? Like it, it might offset the damage if it goes against you. It's just we always want to take the money, and earnings, you guys, as you know, is the most dangerous thing that can happen. Mara could come out and have an amazing earnings and then go, but we can't get any more miners, or electricity costs are going to go up for mining, or we foresee because of the halving, we need to do X, Y, and Z, and we've got to, right? All this equipment is going to be no good anymore, and we've got to upgrade, which is going to cost, higher. We don't know what's going to happen. The forecast will be everything. So we don't know.
Yeah.
We just don't
Thank
know.
you.
Yep. Great
Because
question.
look at our ARM as above VWAP, and it's also 2-minute EWO to the upside.
I'm sorry, what's the ticker?
ARM,
Oh,
ARM.
ARM. Got it. Okay. Yep, I see it.
But coach, back to your point, you're
Yep.
absolutely right.
Yep.
There's so much that can happen.
Yes.
Just the raw numbers. They got the greatest numbers in the world.
Right.
They can even have great forecasts.
That's right.
But if some people want to be taking their profits,
that's right.
You're gonna be in a world of hurt for a few days. So just watch the earnings and use that as a guideline for future investment, but don't necessarily bet all your money on the earnings.
That's correct. Because remember, earnings is like a lotto because it's a 50-50 shot. And just so you guys know, the only way that earnings ever has a positive day after, all the stars have to align. Remember, it drives up to earnings. Buy the rumor, sell the news, which means earnings and the forecast has to be the greatest thing that's ever happened to continue to drive, right? So there's way more downside always after earnings than there is upside, believe it or not.
And it's so funny because the next day you can make a more informed decision.
That's right. And there's typically a
Because
sell-off
the market
people
tell
want to
you what
collect.
it's going to do, right?
Yes. Yeah, exactly. That's what I always say, right? Wake up the next day and go, hey, what happened and what does the market want to do? And now I can trade against it.
And they can have great earnings, but everybody put their money into it weeks before that. They're taking profits, the stock's crashing on good earnings.
Correct. That's why I said it has to be like all the stars have to be aligned. Look at Tesla, by the way, double top at 203.80. You see this while we were training? Oops, damn it. Oh, am I on the wrong screen? I am. Hold on. There we go. Double top. Here. See it?
Yes, sir.
And yes, of course, I'm holding puts. Let me flip my screen. Of course. I mean, come on now. Come on now. Come on now. See it? Yeah, you do.
Coach, I held through all that SPY, and now I'm out of everything on that pullback right there.
Oh, nice job.
That I held on to them.
I'm in those Tesla puts with you.
Yeah,
They're killing.
Yeah, I told you, right? Didn't I say?
Yeah, 30 contracts.
Yes. I've only got 20. Good job. Nice job. But this is a ceiling. I'm going to take half here.
Yeah, I'm halved.
Yep, because of this. Whoops, crap. Oh, I can't show you guys because I'm on my Robinhood. Hold on. Let me flip my screen. This is what I'm talking about because I have to train and trade, and it's not as easy. Right here, this is why. See this 202.60?
Yep.
This is why. That's support.
I did the same thing.
Yep, that's support. I've still got 10. I'll hold it for a second, but I've got a ways because I bought them so early that I will let them come up to go flat to allow me to breathe in this range. All right, now I can show you guys the trade again. Hold on. Again, a little bit of my mindset of how I and what I'm doing. So you guys will have to watch, obviously, Tesla on your screen while you're watching this trade. But because I got in at the right time, even though this is support, I would rather allow this half to go flat, which it might, and allow it breathing room to pull back to really collapse. Okay? I've already collected half, remember? So even if this is break even, I've already made, what, $250, even if this trade, even if the last half goes to zero, right?
Yeah.
So in my mind, I'm okay with this part working its magic. If it gets to zero, I'll sell it. I made 250 on the trade. But what I'm anticipating on is I'm allowing this to work with Tesla in this 203 to 202.50, because if this breaks, I'm going to get super paid. By the way, it's getting ready to break here. So you can see the EWO's fading. We had a double top situation. The whole market again is pulling. I'm watching SPY, which is up on its SPY, by the way, is up on resistance right here. So are the Qs. So I have room to go, and now I let the trade develop. Now, if this continues to come down to 250 and goes flat, I'll sell another stack, another half of the half, which I'll do now, just to be safe. There's a half of a half. Boom. Okay? Now notice it didn't. Yep. Now notice it didn't sell, but it will as soon as this pulls. There it goes. There's another $75 collected. So if you think about it, it was about 250, and we'll just say 50 to make it easy. That's $300 so far to the good. Okay, so I'm $300 so far to the good in the trade. I still have 5 left. I started with 20. I've only got 5 left, and now I could let this thing, right? Look at it. It's moving so slowly now. See it? Well,
Yeah.
if Tesla decides to go, hey, because guess what? The longer it consolidates here, this is going to give an opportunity for buyers to jump in. I don't want to be sitting here with this. Okay, not on the wrong side. Now look, if you guys see this go flat, I'll sell. Boom, get out, $300 profit made. If this pulls below 202, this level, 202.60, guess what I'll do? I'll buy in more. Okay, right now I'm setting up to buy in more, my original 20, because it will be going in my favor, right? If it's going in my favor, I can add, but I'm not allowed to add if it's not, right?
Correct.
Okay, good. So read right here. I will either sell when it goes flat or add when it goes the way that I want. And now I'm in a holding pattern. But I've already guaranteed, locked in, $300 on the trade, just like that.
But you wanted to break the 202.60 before you add?
That's correct.
Okay.
Yep. I will not touch it, because if it breaks 202.60, we're coming down here to this 202 right here. I'm getting ready to add. Every time it comes down here, I'm got my hand on the trigger.
Coach, can you show this the chart?
Nope. Because I'm live trading. Hold on. You guys are watching me live trade on Robinhood. Do you want to see the chart or do you want to see the trade?
Trade.
Hey, stay with the trade. Stay where you are. Stay where you are.
Okay.
Trade.
Okay. So again, nothing has changed. This is just in a holding pattern. But again, the longer it sits here, the more it's going to go against me. See right here, I'm at 28. Here's 18. Sell. Setting up. Right here, I'm out. It didn't sell. This is replace. Continue. This is the problem. See how it's $30? That's okay. We're still okay. Go ahead, sell it. Don't care. There it goes. $17 loss, possibly 20. Did you guys see it? So 300 plus, we'll just say minus 20 to make it easier. That is a, what, $280 trade off of the top, right? Does that make sense, everybody? Are we all on the same page for that?
Very nice.
Yes, sir. That's very good.
Yep. And now
And I'm still in the 2-minute EWO.
Yeah, there you go. And it's still driving. Yeah, 2-minute EWOs. You guys are still set up for success. I'm going to leave you with this too. Hold on one sec. Let me show you the other screen. Bruno, go ahead. You got your hand up?
Yeah, Coach, when you get done, if you could just add Mark McSee to the TikTok moderators list before you.
Okay.
When you get done.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it through this app. Mark McC, say something on TikTok, the one that we need to add you as a mod, because we have 2 running. Let me know when you've typed in something, because we have 2. I have to figure out which one. So Tesla right here. There it is. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can do it. Yep. Okay, cool. Oh, good. Okay, lets me do it. Hold on. All right, there you go. You're a moderator now, Mark. Okay, Tesla, the break of 203.80 is where we would go long again, right? So if we were scalping, it'd be the break of 203.80. Otherwise, it's always puts on resistance and calls on support. This is, oh, let me flip my screen. There we go. Come on, why is this not flipped? Hold on. Should be. All right, that was weird. Okay. Puts, calls, stop tight, depending on which way you're going. Stop tight. Scalpers, this is only for you. Too many EWOs. You guys are still just laughing at us while you're making money. I get it. See that, everybody?
Yes,
So it's calls, puts, calls, puts. So we've got call, put, call, put. Make sense, everyone?
Yes.
So
Yes, coach.
there's your channels right there. You can even add one right here. See this? This is a channel 2 now. You can see why, because it keeps touching in here. So if I take this.
That was beautiful, coach.
Yep, right here. So this is what it should look like. But this is how we trade the channels. And don't worry, when we get into the mastermind, God, every time I clap my hand hurts. Yesterday I had that big old scar tissue removed. I don't know if you guys can see it or not.
No, I'm joking.
Can you see it? It's like 4 stitches. They took a big old chunk out of my hand. So every time I clap, it hurts. But gotta clap for my team. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? No regrets.
Yeah, shorty.
That's right. That's right, shorty.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna clap for you guys. I don't care how bad it hurts. Damn it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take off. Again, I want to thank all my moderators for making this possible. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Lee, Dawn, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Johan, unhappily a housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke, Sidewalker, Kaizen, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McC. Everybody remember, watch for the break of 203.80 on Tesla. Otherwise, you're looking at 203, then 202.59 if you guys are quick scalping it. Otherwise, if you guys are all in the 2-minute EWO on Tesla, you're still to the upside, still looking bullish. If you guys are a VIP member, of course, you have our trading view indicators. As you can see, look at this green cloud. Ooh-wee. Still making money. Congratulations again, everybody. Thank you to all of our military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day here. Same goes with all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There you go. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Have a great day.
Absolutely. I appreciate everybody. Did anybody make money today, or did you learn anything today? Go ahead and open your mics. Yes?
Yeah.
Always
Definitely.
Yes.
Learn.
Thank you.
Little bit of both. Little bit of both.
money, but I learned.
Yes, we did. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
Somebody said, what is that? Is that Dawn?
Coach, I learned every
Why is
day,
it always
buddy.
me? Why is it always me?
Thank you. You guys are
Coach,
awesome.
we thank you. We thank you so much for teaching us how to get in the game, right?
Yeah.
To get
Thank
the
you.
confidence to stay in the game and to identify when the game is happening and the plays are happening. So we thank you so much, sir, always.
You're very welcome. Thank you. Thank you for being the light in here too, by the way. Love you guys. Let me show you how I'm turning into a RoboCop. I'm like an old man now. Look at this. Can you guys see this? This is a lidocaine patch for my frozen shoulder. Can you guys see it? And then I got a bandage right here on my back from when they cut a big old nasty mole out on my back, and then my hand. I'm just like, I'm falling apart over here, man. I'm falling apart.
Whoa.
But I love you guys. I'm still here until they put me in the ground. Damn it, I'm gonna be here. Knock on wood. Don't take me yet, God. I got a lot of work to do over here. There's a lot of people that need some help in here. You know what I'm saying? Everybody be cool. God
Amen,
don't-
Coach. I'm on.
Yeah. I got a lot of people to help. So I'm just going to keep getting stuff cut off. My eyes resurgeried. I got that coming up next. I got a touch-up eyeball appointment. Let's hope that...
Coach will be in a full body cast sitting in a wheelchair over there.
Right? Hey, that's
Love
a good
you,
thing.
Coach.
Love you too.
Love you, Coach.
Appreciate you
We'll
guys.
take every piece of you, Coach.
Hell yeah. But I'll be here. I don't care. Long hair, don't care. I'll be here with you guys. Everybody be cool.
You walk into the doctor's office healthy and you walk out sick.
Exactly. I watched a funny TikTok comedian yesterday. He's like, he said, you know, when you're under 40 and you go in for your physical, you just drive up to a drive-through window and the doctor's like, man, get out of here. You're wasting everybody's time. And then he says, after 40, you walk into the office and the doctor's like, you can go ahead and close that door behind you. Right?
Hey, Coach, ADIL, if anybody wants to look at it, it's trying to hit a new high day. ADIL.
Oh, awesome. Okay, thank you, man. Great call out.
Just strap on those Depends, Coach. Just strap on those ADT Depends and stick in that chair.
Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah. I appreciate it. But again, thank you guys. Thank you to anybody who bought the VIP membership. Again, the price is going up. Don't panic. You can get it. If you can't afford it, it's no worry, but just take advantage of the sale. So VIPs, thank you, whoever bought that. Actually, let's congratulate them one more time. Who did we have, moderators? Somebody bought a VIP lifetime. The smartest.
We had Max Raptor 22.
And that was the lifetime VIP?
Yep.
And then we had Wen bought the masterclass session. Congratulations to you. And then
we had Ryan purchase the VIP gold.
Yep, that's it. So Ryan, since you got the VIP gold add-on, every Saturday we've been running it at 11 a.m. Eastern. Every Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern, you're going to get special training over there. If we ever do my breakout rooms, right, I will either assign a moderator or myself, and I'll say, hey, VIP gold members, like we did the other weekend, and I'll say, hey, come join us over here, right? I was in here for what, an hour and a half or 2 hours or whatever it was. That'll be a breakout room for VIP members, VIP gold members. You also make sure you claim your perks, sign up for your free one-on-one. You get a free one-on-one with a moderator. You also get tech support. Don't forget, too, to check out the news channel. This thing is amazing. What Lee is doing over there. You know, as a matter of fact, I'm going to give you guys a highlight. Does all the free members want to see what the news channel looks like? This thing is crazy. Check this out. Hold on. I'm gonna show you anyways. You're gonna get a free look anyways.
Show.
Yeah. Hold on a second.
Let me show you.
Yeah, this is nutso. Hold on. Like I said, people spend hundreds or thousands a month for this type of news service. Can you guys see this?
I spent $6,000 on Bazinga a couple of years ago before you ever started, Coach, just for this type of setup right here. $6,000.
Yep. Yeah, like I said, and it's worth it because you want to know, and it's all the bits and bytes you want quick instead of you trying to research it. It's right in your face. And not only is he doing like this up to the minute news, we also have our weekly updates. Hold on. Wait till you see this. Holy crap. Hold on a minute. I'm going to show you guys this. This is also just insane. Hold on. Screen. Hold on. Where's it at? No. Apps. Nope. Hold on. I hate it when it does this. I might have to show the. Oh, here it is. I think this is it. Can you guys see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now check this out. You get this every week. We've been doing this every week. Look at the information. This is the week before the information comes out. I'm telling you, this. Well, it's funny because each individual piece. I could charge you more than $2,500 to have weekend training every weekend. I could charge you more than $2,500 to get this news service, right? Each one of these little things, these little add-ons that we do is worth it in itself. Look at, there's every upgrade. There's every downgrade. Long ideas. Spotlight information. Look at this stuff. There's all your analyst ratings. Here's all IPOs coming. Here's all your market cap runners for large. Here's your S&P setups. Right? Anybody who's looking at the ETFs, there you go. Here's all the best penny stocks coming up and the movers. There's your gainers and your losers. There's your best blue chip stock movers. You're getting this every week. This is a part of the VIP Gold service. I cannot stress enough how valuable this is. And don't worry, I know it's valuable right now at $2,500. It'll be just as valuable at $5,000. This is why I said I'm going to laugh soon, right, to myself about my pricing. Because right now you guys are getting like lifetimes for $5,000. Our regular memberships will be $5,000. So take advantage of the stuff that we have. Okay, I'm out of here. Thank you guys for listening to my quick little marketing spiel, but hopefully you guys understand the value of each of the products and services that we provide. We do our best to make sure that we do offer the best in service and customer service across the board. If you need help at any time, if you've been overcharged, you tried to cancel a card, or cancel a service and it didn't cancel in time, you got double charged, whatever, open a help desk ticket. We will take care of it ASAP. Go over to our help desk. It is help desk support. Click create ticket. We will work on it. If you are a gold member, you have your own help desk ticket. If you open it up, you get immediate, right? Within 60 minutes is what we're trying to do for our SLA for that. So our service level agreement is 60 to 90 minutes. Don't hold me to it, but that is what we are trying to make sure to achieve. And we have 13,000 members. So VIP Gold members, when you need help, we want to be Johnny on the spot for you because that's what you're paying for. That's an extra service value add for you, okay? All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Love you guys. I'm losing my voice. I can tell my throat is really pushing it. Thank you again for another amazing day. I love you guys so much. I'm very grateful and humbled to be here every day to serve you. That is my job, is to make sure you guys are okay. That is my only job. ADIL getting ready to make new high day. I'm out. Don, you're the host with the most. I'm out.
Tesla new high day.
Thank you.
See you, Coach.
See ya. Thank you, David. You're kicking ass. I appreciate you every day. Love your face. Big hugs.
Thank you, sir.
I
Love you, Coach.
can't raise this arm, but I can't raise this arm, but here, there you go.
Thank you,
Thanks, Coach. Be
Appreciate it.
safe.
Yeah, you too. Thanks, guys. I'm out.
Bye.
Later, Coach.